So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can schedule your meeting via Zoom and how you can also allow it to record what you've done automatically. So you go to schedule, you give it a name, let's say training. Then today is 1st of April. Let's say our meeting is today, 1st of April. I'll leave it at that. And I can give it a time showing 1 p.m. I can say okay. Then 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. A time zone, I can use West Central Africa, which is GMT +1. I will not allow this to repeat because it's a one-time stuff. So I'll say advanced options. That's where you can allow it to automatically record your meeting. By default, it's not always checked like this. So you check it. So it saves on your local computer oftentimes. So when you want to start the meeting, you start using your local computer. So I will click done.